Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, I'm gonna give you a detailed review of the Godox X1 TTL wireless trigger transmitter. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to give you a complete review and guide of how to use the Godox X1 TTL wireless trigger transmitter. Now there are separate triggers for separate brands, like it will be separate for Nikon, Sony, Canon and so on. I obviously have the one for Nikon. So you also need to check if your flash is compatible with the trigger. Mostly all Godox flashes will be compatible with this trigger, but better safe than sorry, always check before buying. I bought this from Amazon last year for around 3,990 rupees. And I'll leave its link down below guys so that you can check it out. Now, why do I need a trigger? If I want off-camera flash, meaning if I want my flash to fire without having contact with the camera, I need a trigger. So without the trigger, I will need to attach my flash to the hot shoe of the camera always. If I remove the flash from the hot shoe, it will not fire. The product comes in this box. And inside here we have the trigger. You also get this user manual and warranty card. This requires 2 batteries and batteries are not provided with the product. So I bought these rechargeable batteries separately. Panasonic Enelope Pro AA NiMH rechargeable batteries, and this is the charger. You may use normal cell batteries too, but they will not last very long and it will be a pain to keep changing batteries again and again, so rechargeable batteries are better. Battery jacket is right here. We open it by gently sliding this down. And inserting the batteries like that. Positive, negative, positive, negative. I'll leave the links to the trigger, batteries, charger, everything down below guys, so that you can go check them out. Now let's talk about its parts and controls. This is the hot shoe camera connection to attach the trigger to the camera. Next to it is the battery compartment which I just showed you. Here we have the micro USB port and PC sync socket. This is the hot shoe speedlight connection in case I want to attach my flash to the trigger. This is the test button to test if my flash is lighting. This is the status indicator lamp. It glows red when I fire. I can turn it on here. Just toggle this switch. We have another switch here, the AF assist beam switch. When you are in a low light situation and you're not able to focus properly, then you can turn this on in order to help you focus. Or else you can turn it off. We have an LCD panel, 3 buttons here and a dial. Let me show you how to set this up. There are so many ways to use this small device to help you light up your subjects. Today I will show you how to connect it wirelessly to one speed light, and it will be mounted on my Nikon D5300. First I will go to my speed light, set it to radio slave mode. By just pressing this button to the right, I go to the slave mode. Make sure you see the antenna icon here. Here the main controls I need to bother about are the group and channel. Group I can set it to A, B or C. Let me set it to A. Channel, we have channels 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let me set it to channel 1. We can turn this off for some time. go to the trigger. If I move the dial, I can scroll through the various groups. We had selected A in the flash, so we have to select A here too. The button on top is channel or OK. Let's press it. Now when I move the dial, it will browse through the channels. This will be channel 1 like in the flash. Press channel again to set it. The group and channel should be same in the flash and trigger. Next I will press mode. This has 3 modes of TTL or manual. TTL is like auto flash. I want to use manual flash, so let me set it to manual. Next, the button in the middle helps me set the flash power. It increases or decreases by 0.3 stops. 1 by 1 is full power. Let me set it to 1 by 16 and see how it goes. I have attached my trigger to my camera and my flash is placed there near my subject. I turn on the flash, trigger, and finally the camera. I first use the test button, see if it's working. Now focus with the camera and just click. See, the flash automatically fires like magic. But my image is a bit
overexposed.
So let me
Reduce
power to 1 by
128.
Try again. See, it's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this review guys, and this product is amazing. I've been using it for my off-camera flash portraits. I've tried a fair few portraits and it works amazing. And in case you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want me to review more products. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Godox review. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.